So for this next one, again, r is going to be 3 squared plus 2 squared. Take the square root, so we end up with square root of 13. Theta is the tricky part. So again, we plot that dot, -2, 3. We think of the left as cos, the right as sine. So then we say theta is inverse tan of the y over x, or sine over cos. Now, remember, we're not going to have a nice value on the unit circle if our tan values are not some form of root 3, 1, or root 3 over 3, which 3 over -2 or -3 halves is not. Therefore, we use our calculator, mode in degree. So I do inverse tan of -3 halves, which comes out to -56.3. Again, that can't be our answer. -56.3 is not between 90 and 180. If we're in quadrant 2, we got to be between these values, which -56.3 is not. So you can do this many ways, but what I did is I swung down -56.3 degrees from the starting point, from 0, and then I said, okay, 56.3 plus what is 90, if this section is 90, so it was 33.7. And then I said, okay, if I start reflecting, this guy would be 33.7, then this guy would be 56.3. If I start reflecting again, this is 56.3, and this is 33.7. So again, there's two ways to find this dot. What I like to do is add positive values, so I said 90 plus 33.7, which ended up being 123.7 degrees, which makes sense because that's between 90 and 180. Or you could say 180 minus 56.3, and that would still get you the same value. So whatever works for you. Again, we have r, we have theta, and this is in trig form because we see cos and sine.